This video will show you how to change your Outlook account password. So the Outlook app on the Mac or PC doesn't give you any option to change the account password. For this, you'll need to head to your web browser and then head to the microsoft.com. Now sign in with your Outlook account. Once you are signed in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and then select My Microsoft Account link. So this will open a new tab where you can manage all your settings. Here you should see this change password option in the top right corner. If you don't see it, you can also head to the security tab here. Once you are in, click on this change password option. Now here you will need to enter your new password twice and then click on save. Once you have done this, your Outlook password will be changed and you may need to re-enter it in the Outlook app too. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.